This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, the value package, skid plates, a navigation system, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a power driver's seat, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Mac Haik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 515 North Interstate 35 East in DeSoto.